So today we have this great window screen replacement kit. The material is polyester coated, so it's very, very high quality. It includes a spine, a roller, everything you need to replace the window screen. Look at that. No wrinkles, no mess. Simply unroll it and go. Definitely has great visibility and ventilation. Will block any small creatures. DIY, custom to any shape and size. You can cut it to any shape and pattern. You could use it for crafts. It could be a pet screen, door screen, patio screen. There's so many options. All you need is a pair of scissors to cut the window screen to the size that you need. Very easy to install. Simply use the tool that it came with. The result is a nice, smooth, new window screen. It's the finished new product. Smooth, new window screen. Highly visible, highly ventable.